Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm gonna tell you how to solve an error which I was facing for a few hours. I was trying to install Firebase, and while I was trying to log in my Firebase account, I was having an error continuously. The error will look like this when I type Firebase login. It shows me a link, but after waiting for authentication, it was not identifying it. It was rather throwing an error continuously, and accepted error it has occurred with, and always asking me having trouble, try again, or contact support with contents of firebase debug.log. I have searched overall the internet, but I didn't get any solution to it. Then I realized maybe I have done something wrong in previously. Yeah, a few months back I was using npm server, which is the need node and npm server for firebase. I was using npm server from my another project, and I forgot to update that npm server, and because the update has been arrived since past few days or months, I don't know. So I just need to update that as well, and I thought that it will work okay if or perfectly if I won't need to update that npm server as well, at all. But I was wrong. We need to update anything, any software if we are using, just to match the compatibility. It seems like it doesn't seem to be have any compatibility issues, but it was showing continuous error. So I thought to update that npm server, and that's all. It resolved my issue. And what I have done was like this. I go to search box and then type PowerShell. Yeah, yeah, here you can see an app Windows PowerShell, and yeah, I forgot to mention that it's a Windows 10, so you need Windows 10 to do this. Okay, then you will get an Windows PowerShell app. Just left click on it, and then you will have a window like this, Windows PowerShell. Okay, then type these highlighted commands which I have highlighted here. These commands which are for upgrading your npm server in Windows. Okay, just a minute, I need to clear this all. Okay, yeah. So here are these three commands which you need to type in your PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and after typing this, it will automatically upgrade your npm uh, server. Yeah, you can watch. At the top, I have magnified my screen as well. Yes, you have to type these three commands. Okay, I hope you all understand about this. So after upgrading, you will never face an error, and if you try to log in again, if you try to log in your Firebase again, it will work perfectly fine. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. I hope you are doing good, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it. Yes, it's a solution to resolve localhost 9005 as well, if it's not connecting to it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.